Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
To start a VA disability claim for sleep apnea, first confirm a medical diagnosis. Schedule a polysomnography and obtain an apnea-hypopnea index, AHI, result. Moderate is 15 to 30 events per hour and severe is over 30. If you use a CPAP or by PAP, download machine compliance records showing average nightly use, ideally 4 or more hours nightly. Obtain a signed diagnosis from a sleep medicine specialist or qualified provider. And secure clinic notes that describe symptoms like daytime hypersomnolence and witnessed apneas. Prepare and submit a complete packet. File VA Form 21-526 Easy online at VA.gov or by mail and include clinical evidence. Add the polysomnography report, CPAP, or by PAP compliance logs, and recent clinic notes diagnosing obstructive sleep apnea. Request a nexus letter from your treating provider that explains how the sleep apnea is related to your military service or a service-connected condition, and include service treatment records, plus lay statements from spouses or coworkers describing witnessed apneas and daytime impairment. After you file, the VA will usually schedule a compensation and pension, C&P, exam within 30 to 90 days to assess severity, symptoms, and functional impact. Ratings commonly reflect symptom level, 0% for asymptomatic cases, 30% for persistent daytime hypersomnolence, and 50% when a breathing assistance device such as CPAP is required. Expect decisions in several months. If you disagree, file a notice of disagreement or submit VA Form 10182 within 1 year, and consider a higher-level review or supplemental evidence.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.